Oh my gosh, we're on our cell phone again. Can you believe it? What's happening, guys, when we're on our cell phone? Well, our whole posture alignment is off to the side, and now our neck is down, our shoulders are down, we're hunched over here. The energy is supposed to come to and through us, it gets blocked. And we're like, I don't know why I can't think. I'm so stressed out. Am I feeling overwhelmed? I have no energy. I'm gaining weight. Well, this is probably because your back is out of alignment. Your body is out of alignment. Your brain and your body are not working together. So we're going to get them working again. Here's an exercise for you. So I want you to take a pencil or a pen, and I want you to put this pencil or pen in the shoulder blades. So wherever your shoulder blades are at, I want you to pretend like you're holding the pencil there, like hard with this pencil or pen, and you're just pinching and pinching. If you want to stand on the wall, it's going to be a little easier for you. But you're just thinking about holding that pencil there, and you're gonna be like, oh man, and you get tired and you get contracted again. But when you're doing your day, driving your car, eating breakfast, whatever it might be, standing at your job, sitting at your job, just think about that pencil in between your shoulder blades, holding it, and that's gonna help realign your spine because all of us are here, right? We're also having a course launching to the public. Make sure to sign up for our early bird waitlist right now so you can be one of the first people that when it goes live to the public, you get first access with all the details. So I look forward to that coming up soon, guys, and have a blessed day.